Formula Botanica's Certificate in Chocolate Spa Products is a short online course for beginners who want to learn how to formulate with everyone's favorite ingredient, chocolate. Imagine yourself in a high-end spa coated in chocolate. Imagine the fragrances of cocoa, rose, geranium, patchouli and orange blossom mingling in the air around you. Is there anything more luxurious? This certificate teaches you to create a capsule range of facial and body chocolate spa products. Research the different cosmetic ingredients yielded by the cacao tree. Discover the skin-beautifying and anti-aging benefits of cacao with all of its antioxidant powers. Study the different chemical compounds contained within chocolate, including polyphenols and methylxanthines. Receive over 30 sample chocolate spa formulations designed by the Formula Botanica team. Enroll for our certificate in chocolate spa products and gain access to our award-winning and accredited e-learning platform. We give you 1 year to comfortably complete this 2-module online course. Cacao is an amazing ingredient to use in your organic skincare formulations. Create luxury, antioxidant-rich chocolate spa products to treat your skin by studying with Formula Botanica.